Volatility Report. I'm Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionPit.com. Check your emails, check your inboxes. We've got an email going out with an invite to a webinar in the next couple of days if you haven't already seen it. And I will, so just keep an eye out for that. And then I will talk to, I'll be giving a webinar on Saturday. So it's a special Saturday class. But it's a free Saturday class. Think about that. We normally charge a lot of money for Saturday classes. This one's free. So let's talk about the market as a whole. Well, pretty nice update. If you're a stock market bull, yesterday looked pretty good to you because the VIX futures curve completely normalized. We saw October fall below November. November is flat with December, which is below January. The only piece that's still kind of a little bit high is VIX itself, and that's ahead of FOMC. And VIX is kind of a free-floating thing. The one thing we know is that when the curve is in contango, the market is likely to go higher. And when it's backward, it's likely to go lower. And right now, we are back in a contango, albeit a very slight contango. But we are in a contango again. And with that, you can see futures are off some, not off the lows. At one point, VXX was down $1.15. UVXY was down like $4. They're now only down $3. That being said, the market is pricing out some pretty tall confidence on FOMC. And, that's been the price action, and that's why it's been acting this way. I'm a little surprised. I think a lot of people are surprised by the vol dump ahead of the FOMC, but that's what they gave us. Some interesting movers and shakers. Netflix, after just getting obliterated the last few weeks, back over 100. I mean, this was a stock that was, $95 at one point this week, and now here it is. It's kind of recovered. It's back over 100. Could make a move. Could make a move higher. Apple's a little soft, and some of the other tech names a little softer. But you're seeing some rolling cyclical stuff. They're putting some money into some other names, some of the industrials, some of the oil stocks. ExxonMobil's up big today, and that's where you're seeing some of the money rotate in and out of. We're also saw some interesting activity, some mergers and acquisitions, Bud, SAB Miller merger, some other things like that. So all in all, there's nothing crazy going on in the market, but you do have generally positive breath and energy doing really well today, along with the utilities and the products. So that's where the strength is today. Technology a little softer, not a lot, and financials a little softer as well. So the way everything's pricing out is for a weaker dollar, and looks like the market has bagged the rate hike on tomorrow. Or is that, tomorrow. All right, so on the day, I would imagine we meander higher, and then volatility coming in a little bit, and I think there could be a big vol suck with a quick trip back above 2,000 tomorrow when things become official. All right, folks, on that note, I am Mark Sebastian. If you got questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com, or you can call me 888-TRADE-01. Have a good one.